I don't even have words for that one, bro. I don't know. I didn't even like... This video is just a crash compilation at this point, bro. What's going on, boys? Welcome back. Today we're out here in the absolute middle of nowhere, Utah. I was driving through on my way back home after being out in LA. Never put my glove on. And I thought, you know, last night we were riding some crazy stuff in the hills of LA. Let's see if I can find some crazy shit in Utah. So I downloaded OnX Off-Road. I found this place and here we are. Rode through some cool stuff already. And now we're getting to the part that I'm looking for. So that's where the video begins. Gotta make our way past this gate and then we should be on our way to something super cool that you guys are just gonna kind of have to wait and see when we get there. So let's go. They make it so easy, bro. They did all that. And all I have to do is this. Looks like we never even did that. It wouldn't be a day riding the Stark Varg if my phone properly was connected to the bike. So, you know, per usual, phone won't connect. No clue what my battery's on. It's all good though. I think we're on 100%. We should be chilling. I downloaded the map on OnX Off-Road. I downloaded that shit. So if I do get stranded out there, I can at least make it back to the truck. Bro, I don't think I needed to cross that fence at all. I could have just stayed in the river bottom and made it right here. There's so much random like metal out here in the desert, and you'll notice when there's random metal like that, it almost always has holes in it. People just be bringing their guns out here and shooting stuff. You could tell by how soft this shit is when you're riding on it that this is definitely a creek or like an actual river, you know, when they have enough water. The other night when we were up in the Anaheim Hills riding on some trails out there, oh, that was just like literally the most flowy jumps I've been on in my entire life, bro. It's crazy. Now, where the hell does the trail go now? Oh boy. Not a fan of riding through water. Hopefully there's not much more of that shit. All right, I ended up cheating. I opened the map. I didn't really think this through at all. I can't climb up that. I guess we're riding down the water a little. Dude, I have no time to get wet today. Not doing that. Luckily, the Stark's an absolute machine. Just love this thing, bro. After riding in those mountains the other night, I have a whole new appreciation for the Stark. Like, it's really a whole different bike when you ride it the way it's meant to be ridden, instead of riding in the street all the time and, you know, a little bit of single track here and there. We were pushing it the other night. That's the trail I'm looking for. I could have saw it from where I was. It was just hiding. Bro, the scenery out here is so cool with like all the red rocks and it's so different than up north. Ground is red. These trees, like we don't really have trees like this that you could ride through. This would be a marsh that is always either so wet or so frozen that you ain't getting through. I don't know. Whoa. I don't know how far we have to go to get to this little secret thing that I'm trying to get to. I'm hoping not too far though. You know, it's kind of crazy. I'm fairly certain, whoa, that looks like there's some gas spillage up in there. I'm fairly sure that's ice. It must get pretty cold here at nighttime. And again, I've lost the trail. If the sun wasn't getting close to coming down, I'd not cheat, but I feel like I kind of have to cheat. I'm gonna guess right there is the trail. So hard to tell. Oh yeah, this is definitely it, dude. What the f? No. There's gotta be a way to slide these things out of here or something so I can go through, right? I think so. Gotta find a way to put my bike down. It might actually stay. Bro, what? That's so wild. I've never seen anything like this though, where you like can't come through on anything except for walking, but they have a way for you to get through. It must be an out west thing. I would imagine it's for when they're corralling their cattle and shit like that. There we go. There we go. Back to our adventure. It's getting awfully pretty now. So beautiful, bro. Lots of creek crossings on this trail, I'm gonna imagine. Whoa, that is so beautiful. That is crazy. We're just out here. Bro, just imagine way back in the day, like in the Western days, you and your crew just out here ripping on horses down through these little valleys, climbing mountains, you know, like, oh shit, over there, there's a There's a solar panel, bro, in the middle of the desert. What? We're gonna go check that out in a second. But just imagine, you're just ripping through here on horses with the boys. No clue if anyone's ever been here before or what. I mean, you can just go post up right here for the night. You know, make your little camp, shoot some animals, make some food. Oh, that would have been so cool to get to experience that kind of shit. But I'm kind of getting to experience it now, just in a different way, you know? Oh boy. Do I do it? No, I don't want to get lost. Oh, plus we got to go see what's up with that solar panel, bro. Oh, wow, dude. I shifted my weight funny. Oh my God, I almost died right there. Oh, I want to climb up that and have a little sesh real quick. I'm going to see if we can get something like that going. Bro, Mega Ride is... Oh my God. No! A Yarkvarg! Dude, I didn't mean to do that at all. God damn it. I just put all the carbon on it. Oh yeah, I guaranteed I scratched the carbon out. Well, let me at least get some Instagram content quick. You pretty much can't convince me this isn't about the most beautiful riding you could possibly be out here doing, bro. The odds of seeing a human out here have got to be like literally 0. That alone is enough reason to come rip out here, dog. Oh, I did not even realize that was ice, bro. Oh no. You should be waterproof. I should be chilling. Oh yes. Uh-oh. Yes. Yes. While we're out here, we should probably accomplish it. Start right here. I got this. Yo, that was so cool. I'm running that back 100%. Ooh. I'm not used to all the variables. At home, it's like, oh, if you're riding there, it's definitely safe, you know? Here, it's like, somebody may have never rode that hill climb before. I know I'm getting like barely any air. It feels so good. Oh, okay. Almost hurt myself. I could feel that one in the ankle for sure. For sure. Oh, that was awesome. We accomplished that hill climb. Definitely not doing that one again. We'll keep moving here in a second. Instagram content yet again. As if it's not obvious, the reason that sand being in the throttle is such a big deal is because if it gets in there, right, and then say you go full pin, it could get stuck full pin. Oh, you could actually hear some of the sand was stuck, oh yeah, in my brakes there. No wonder they're caked. If I didn't know myself better than that, I would say I need to sell the Stark and get on a Talaria, bro, because that was some Talaria worm shit that I just pulled right there, big time. That looks like it could be sick to climb up, get a little view that way, but I don't know, there might be a mountain cover. Yeah, I think there probably is, low key. No, actually, probably not. I could probably climb that and get an amazing view. So we might do that. The other thing we might do is go all the way back the way we came. There's another trail that goes that way, and I think it goes to a peak, so we might go to that for sunset. But we got 1 hour and 15 minutes to get there, or basically 1 hour. Probably go this way a few more minutes, I think. Whoa, boys, that is so tough. June 1991, Fountain Green, Utah, Briley something. Oh, that's a phone number. Wow, dude. Fort Totem, No Dark, November 28th, 1966, bro. 1966, 1962. What am I doing out here with no Sharpie, no knife, no nothing, dog? Can't sign nothing. I need to put a big ZillyMilli in there. Just like the same little thing, yeah. This is so cool. Like, look how the water just like erodes it away. Like, so perfectly. You know, your little drink holder there. Yeah, that's tough. Damn, bro, that rock didn't stay sharp for very long. Maybe this one will be better. Yo, that is so sick. There's like a whole pool over there. See if we can get to it in a second. We've pretty much made it to the pool that I had saw. Really just trying to find a good spot to have a view of it because it's down there. It's most definitely frozen. Could hear that for sure. Going from ZillyMilli the Miami boy to ZillyMilli the desert explorer. Just out here exploring. Found this little stream. It's all frozen. Even though it's like hot out right now, it's frozen. Little pool down there. Got the Starkey off in the distance. Boys, I think I'm gonna keep going so we get to that peak over there. Yeah, it'll be a cool little session spot real quickly. Then we'll get back to the bike. Side note, I wonder what lives inside of those little holes in the rock. I probably don't wanna know right now, but I'll wanna know later. Boys, I'm not sure exactly where I left off, but I made it up to the peak. Chilled, had my little sesh. Oh boy, dude, this is freaking sketch. And now we're heading back to the start. I used to be super afraid of heights. Not so much anymore, but definitely still sketch. Dang, bro, the Stark is way over there. All right, we're officially heading back. When you're down in the bottom of these valleys and you look up at the peaks and you're like, oh, you know, that looks like a beautiful spot right there. It'd be sick to go up over there. It looks a lot closer than it actually is. That was steeper than I thought it was. Oh, yes. Pretty much do the same exact thing here. Oh yeah. That ice is like the perfect thickness that it doesn't break. Thank the Lord. We'll stay on this side for now. Ooh. Jeepers. Oh, this thing looks sick, dude. Yes, sir. Yo, that was awesome. I'm about to run that back. Hold on now. Yes, sir. That was awesome. Yup. Yup. No sweat, no hesitation. I don't even have words for that one, bro. I don't know. I didn't even like... This video is just a crash compilation at this point, bro. I clearly didn't use my brain at all on that one. Brain was a secondary thought. Look at all the roots coming off that tree. That is nuts. That is crazy. Damn it, I knew I shouldn't have put all three of those back on because I would be right back here, but let's do this again. That gate. Oh, yo, there's fucking deer up there, bruh. That's crazy. I don't know if y'all can see that on the GoPro. There's just 4 deer up there on the top of that hill. One of them's a buck with 1 antler, it looks like. That's crazy. All right, let's continue on moving here. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, so we were just way deep off that way somewhere. Can't even really see where. I think it actually might. Doesn't look like we're gonna get much of a sunset today, so I want to get packed up before it's dark. I head down and hit those jumps a couple more times, and that's where we will end it for today, I think. Alrighty. Okay, that could be sent for sure. Bro, what is that, a hill climb? If I hit that with a little more speed, I think I could clear it pretty easily. It's pretty scary, but you don't hit it with enough speed, it's not a big deal. You barely, ooh, that was wet and sketchy. You can see the loop everybody else rips on. A bit too crazy for me. That one looks sick, but... Oh, alrighty. That was so sketchy. I am calling it a day after that one, boys. Almost died there. Well, I appreciate y'all tuning in. As always, that was a sick little dark varg versus desert adventure. We'll definitely be doing that again. Until next time, boys. Peace. Blow bands, blow bands, blow bands.